To install WSL, we first need to go to Settings. Then go to Apps, click on Programs and Features, go to Turn Windows Features on or off, scroll down until you find the Windows subsystem for Linux. Check the checkbox and click OK. Now we need to restart our computer. When we're back, we need to go to the Microsoft Store. Then search for Linux. Here are all the different Linux distributions. Today we're going to be going for Ubuntu. Click Install. You can either sign in with a Microsoft account or not. Once that's installed, we can close out the store and search for Ubuntu. When you first open it up, it's going to need to install a few extra packages, so give it a few minutes. Once that's done, you can enter in your username and then a password. Retype it in to confirm, and then you're pretty much done. In order to keep your Windows subsystem up to date, we can run this command: sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. This will make sure that everything's up to date, so go ahead and type in your password, and then when you see this question, press Y and then hit enter. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a good time using Windows Subsystem for Linux.